Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is African Joe and it's so lovely to have you guys back here. This video, as you already know from the title, is another Igbo lesson. I know, finally, it's been a minute, I know that. But please don't crucify me. Do not crucify me, we'll do it when I do it, yeah? So today I will be teaching my sister-in-law some Igbo words that we will practice when we go to the market to buy food today. But before we do that, I'm going to let her introduce herself.
Hi, African Jules Page. So I'm her sister-in-law, Kelly. I'm also on YouTube, so if you would like to see more of me practicing in the market, you can check out my YouTube channel, Glow in the Dark.
Okay. Just to have a quick background information, where are you from originally?
I'm originally from Imo State. However, I was born and raised abroad, so I grew up in the US.
So these are for all my peoples that are trying to learn Igbo, and you know, there's a lot of us on this line, even me too, I'm still trying to learn. So we're going to do this. Let's go. All right, guys, let's get started. So the first word I'm going to teach you is egoni. That means how much is this? Okay. Yeah. So when we get there, first you greet them, good afternoon or good morning. We first have to greet them, good morning. Okay. And then you ask them, okay, if it's crayfish that you want, it's egoni bu crayfisha.
Slow down.
Okay. Egoni.
Egone.
Bu.
Bu.
Crayfish.
Crayfish.
Okay, say that.
Egone bu crayfish.
Yeah, not bu. Egone bu crayfish. Bu. Yeah, so it's down. Bu.
Bu.
Yeah.
Egone bu
crayfish. Yes, so that's how you say how much is crayfish or how much is tin tomato, whatever it is, just say egone bu this. So that's the first.
Egone. Sometimes I say egole.
Egole is also, yeah.
Okay.
So yeah.
Egole bu.
Yeah.
Crayfish.
Yes. Okay, so that's the first word. Let us go on to the second word, guys. Okay, so the next word we're going to say is, you know, sometimes you want to buy egusi soup, you want to make egusi soup, and you have to grind it. So to find out how to grind it, you have to ask them, how do I do it, or where can I do it?
Okay.
So you say that in Igbo by saying, kebenga kong egusi. You can do this, come on. You can do it.
Okay. All right.
Kebe.
Kebe.
Ga.
Ga.
Kwong.
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 Yes, okay, that's actually good. Egusi.
Egusi.
Yeah, say put it together.
All right, so.
Kebe.
Kebe.
Ga.
Ga.
Kwong.
Kwong.
Egusi.
Egusi.
Yes.
So ke is where.
Yeah. Ebe. That kebe means where.
Okay, so kebe.
That means me. Ga kwong means to grind it.
Ga kwong.
Yes.
Egusi.
Yes. Because most people, it's easier for you to grind egusi in the market instead of coming back home and trying to do it with your blender. It's too much stressful. So
okay.
Put that together and say it together.
Okay. Kega, no.
Kebe.
Kebe, ga, no. Kebe, ga, kwong. Egusi.
Yes. So that's actually really good. That's actually really good. Yes, I love it. No, that was really good. So you can either say crayfish or egusi. So these are things, or tomato as well. So these are things you can blend and all that good stuff. So that was really good. Okay, I love it. Let's go on to our next word. Okay, so our third sentence for today is, do you have tomato? So we're going to try and teach her how to say that in Igbo. Iwe tomato.
Iwe tomato.
Yeah, that was easy. That was easy. That was on the first go. Okay, I'm going to add one more for you. So in case they don't have it and you want them to refer you to someone that has one, you will ask them, Imonye nele tomato. That means, do you know who sells tomato?
Okay.
Ima. Onye. Nele. Tomato. Yeah.
It's not bad. Okay.
It's not bad. Ima. Onye. Nele. Tomato. So that's, do you know who sells tomato?
Can I write this down? So that I want to cram it in my head. Like say it fast. You know,
okay. Ema onye nele tomato. I speak very fast, so Ema onye nele tomato.
Ima is like do
you? Yeah.
Okay.
Onye, that means who. Nele sells the tomato. Yeah.
Okay, so what's this again?
Ima onye.
Okay, so Ima onye nele tomato.
Yes. Say it faster.
Imaonye nele tomato.
Yeah. That's good. You're doing really well. You're doing really well. She's really shy. But you're doing really well. You're doing really well. Okay, let's go to our next word, guys. Okay, so we have one more word for you guys. So, you know when you buy tomatoes from the market, they have fresh ones and they have ones that are hard. If you want to preserve your soup for long, use the hard one. Because the soft one is close to finishing or spoiling and you will just spoil your tomato. So, how do you say give me the hard one in Igbo? You say nyemun kesirike. Because you can't go around touching everything, especially this corona part. Cannot do that. Cannot. So, you say nyemun kesirike.
Yemke.
Nyemu.
Yemu.
Nke.
Nke.
Sirike.
Sirike.
Yes. Nyemu.
Yemu.
Nke. Sirike. Sirike.
Sirike.
Yes.
Yemu.
Nke. Sirike. Yes. So that's how you say give me the hard one and not the soft one. Yeah?
Okay.
So say
Yem Nke Sirike.
yes. That's really good. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. We're about to go film in the market of her actually practicing every single thing I just told her. So come with us and let's go. Why are you scared?
Okay.
Oh yeah, Kelly, come. So we want to get Ogun. So how do you say that in Igbo?
First, I see. Good afternoon.
That's.
Why are you laughing?
I don't know.
I'm scared.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ah!
Achom. Ugu.
That's good.
Who's gonna get me?
Only Ugu for now.
Ugo ego ne kicho.
Ego. I'm coming. Okay, 1 second. How do you say it again?
Ugu.
She-
Ugu ne.
Uh-huh.
100 or 200.
200.
I get bed.
Yes.
Do you want her to cut
Yes.
it? Yeah.
And
Green
Yeah.
and corn.
no, only Ugu.
It's also Ugo kicho.
Also good picture. That
Also.
bed.
Also, it's only.
Yeah, only Ugo.
Okay. Also.
Try it.
Okay. So me, I want stockfish. So how do you say that?
Again with stockfish.
Yes.
Achom.
Oporoko.
Oporoko. Oporoko.
Okay, good.
Okay, wait. How? I want to say again. How do you spell it? Like ego.
Ego ne kinele.
Egole. Egole.
Ka.
Ka.
E.
Yeah.
That's accent. Now, is it that is telling you?
Yeah,
We're gonna keep that level.
I want to get a rhythm.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna keep that layer.
Ego like kinelea.
100, 200.
Yem 200.
I start on Kaka.
Dalu.
You don't actually kill me. Same.
Wait, say it again.
Ofu.
Oh, okay. This for you. Oh, I wanted two actually.
You wanted
I
to?
want one.
Okay,
Then
I want to.
two.
So 3.
Are you eating with us?
Eating what?
Egusi. Uh. I swear. Actually, almost 100 naira. So say.
Also, it's fresh pepper.
Yeah.
We didn't go over these ones.
It's the same thing, just different names.
Okay, actually, also.
What's the milk on Capra?
Oh.
Yeah, the fresh pepper.
What? Oh, me, I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
Miri is the fresh one. Oh, okay, I didn't know that.
Then the one they grind that is dry pepper.
Oh, okay. Okay, Miri kitchen.
Alright.
Each of them meeting.
I like Nka.
Okay, like it.
Yes.
Ask her how much she sells it.
Then
How much does he sell it? 50.
50. No, I don't need those for
Oh,
you.
no. Yeah, 50.
Okay.
Yamunke 50 now.
And
Egusi, yes.
see, I try my egusi.
Nke 100, nke 150, nke nke inchi, nke aka. Kedu nke inchi?
Kenke Kama. Ask her which one is better.
Sim kedu nke ka mma?
Kedi kekama.
Nke aka mma.
Okay.
And then ask her how much she sells that one. Ego Nikinenka.
That's all. Russian.
Take your time, sis.
Alright, so ego. I'm nervous. Wait. I'm nervous.
You're doing so well. You're doing really well, Mama.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so ego le na.
Ego Nika Kinelea.
Ego le ka
Inelea.
inelea.
Yeah.
Nke 100, nke 150. So kedu nke inchi?
Actually, 150.
Cup, no? Cup.
Cup. 150, 1 cup.
Cup.
1 cup. And then,
Grinding.
Fish cup. Nke akwado gị akwọ.
Mm-hmm. That's what she said.
okay.
Akwọ ya akwọ.
Yes.
Sim mkpọ ya.
Empoya.
Sim kwọ ya.
Empoya.
Uh-huh. It's like, yes, comma. Then I swear, this is so fun.
This is giving me headache.
Come for 1 cup, auntie. Give him 2 cups of milk. Yeah. Thank you.
Anything else?
No.
Crayfish.
I have crayfish.
I don't have crayfish.
Okay.
You want us to grind the crayfish?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nke ego ka m ga-akwọrọ. Mba 100 naira.
100 naira. 100 naira.
Ee, bucket of 100 naira. So why you say it? Isi ewu. Ya ihe ọzọ.
That's it. So ego le vanilla.
Ịzụtara nke a. Nke a bụ kọp abụọ. Ya 300. Isi ntinye nke a ịtọ 600. Ya 900. Nke a 100 naira. Ya 1000. Nke a 15 naira. 1015 naira. Isi ntinye kọt ogo 200. That's 1250 all.
Quick math.
So now negotiation. I've forgotten the negotiate. All I remember is Guinea boo.
Let's negotiate this part.
You can't negotiate this part.
Can't negotiate this one.
And she can't bring out anything. At least so
No.
we can practice. Even
Okay,
if she
just go
says
practice
no.
your negotiation. Oh yeah, negotiate it. Negotiate every time. Like I'm going to see it.
Tinye m jara.
Oh, you take it. Yes, na.
Say tinye m jara.
To give me.
To give you small,
Yes.
like to add to it.
Mhm. Mezoru
Nye
dia.
m mmezu.
Say it again.
Nye m mmezu.
Nyemu mmezu.
Mezu.
Mmezu.
Mezu.
Ma mezoru m ya.
Yemu mezu.
Ma kwuo mezoru m ya.
Mezoru mia.
I don't understand.
Same
It means
Just
it means put
mezoru
yeah. That means put jara for me. Do you get?
Okay. And jar is like extra.
Extra, yeah. So it's like when you buy mango and they just you want to buy 10. So atenum jara. So one is mezoru mia now. They'll add one more for you. Do you get?
So do I have to respond?
So say mezoru mia.
Mezorumia.
Yes.
That one is hard.
Mezorum.
Mezorumia.
That's
Dalu.
Dalu. Well done, babe. See, you've done that. Yeah, done well. You've done well. Oh, try, Abby. You better.